We have new winches on the boat. They have synthetic line here instead of the steel line. The control is mounted on the back. So you spool out, in, spool out. To free spool, you twist this, and you can pull the line out. Engage it back, spool in, and you're done. These are somewhat waterproof as well, which is nice, but at the end of every trip, we should stow them underneath. On the starboard side winch, it should be tucked so that the body is underneath the deck, not resting against the steering control. So tuck this end up underneath first, and then place it into the cradle. And then secure the power cable so that it does not come in contact with the pulleys or belts of the engine. Same thing on the port side. Tuck the winch underneath first, put it down in, and make sure the power cable is free of the belt and pulleys.